So hello guys, good morning. Let me try to play this new Filipino music entitled Dilaw, and I'll be using my own keys since I'll be doing my female version, and it's been a long time since I didn't play